It is the unboxing and review of Xiaomi Handheld Garment Steamer with clean look and minimalistic design. Highlighted features of the garment steamers are 1300 watt power, lightweight, portable and foldable. Vertical and horizontal mode of uses. Heats up in less than 26 seconds. 16 to 24 gram per minute steam rate. 1.9 meter extra long cable length. MRP retained 3999 but got the product at 2199 from Flipkart. Will this garment steamer be a perfect replacement of conventional so-called iron in our home? We will find out answer of this question along with feature analysis of this product. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Now let us quickly open the box. Inside the box pack you will get 3 contents. One of them is user manual. All instruction has been explained in this video. Second one is 160 ml water tank. Third one is the garment steamer. This is the ceramic sole plate with 5 steam outlets. Warning has been given as hot surface because this area will be heated up at the time of working. This is LED indicator. Foldable handle makes it super portable. For steam ironing, this water tank can be attached with the main body. Central part of it is the water tank installation port, and besides that there is a water tank cover. Now see how to attach. Orient in this way and then twist clockwise in this way. Let's see the compact, minimalistic and foldable design. Xiaomi branding, and this is the steam button you can see here, and this is again Xiaomi is written, and this is the 1.9 meter extra long cable for easy and convenient use. Rotate the tank anti-clockwise and it will be opened. I will show you the dry ironing mode first. This is similar with the conventional ironing. First you will see this is blinking, means it is heating up. When the sole plate of this will be heated up completely, the indicator light will not blink, it will be steady and it will take less than 26 seconds to heat up completely. Now look carefully how the wrinkles of the white shirts are removing by this dry ironing mode of garment steamer. Now I will show you the wet ironing mode of this garment steamer, both for horizontal and vertical. We will show you one by one. For that we have to fill the 160 ml water tank by distilled water. Don't fill it completely. Fill 3/4 of it and then wipe out the extra water from the outside by the clean cloth. Close the water tank cover in this way. Let's look the level of water in the tank. Twist clockwise the water tank to fix it with the main body. Now I will show you wet ironing mode vertical on this green kurti. First switch on the device. The device will be ready within 26 seconds. Blinking means it is heating up. Don't touch the sole plate and of course the white area at the time of switched on condition. Steady notification light means it is now ready for ironing. Press the steam button for steam ironing. Can you see steam is coming out from the steam outlet? Pressing the steam button, continue wet ironing vertically till all the crease and wrinkles get removed from the kurti. It will take few minutes. Let's look the cloth after wet ironing by garment steamer. And this is the last mode, wet ironing horizontal mode. Now let's look at the Punjabi after wet ironing horizontal mode. almost all the wrinkles has been vanished. Now I'll tell you how to store and take care of the garment steamer. After completion of the work, remove the water tank and empty the water from the water tank completely. Then again attach the water tank with the main body, turn on the switch and continue to heat the garment steamer and press and hold the steam button until no more steam is emitted. After turning off the garment steamer, wait for an hour to cool it down before storing it. Can this garment steamer replaces an conventional iron? It depends on type of uses. In my case, I am fully satisfied. As office goer, for me it is compact, convenient, and it is also safe for all types of fabrics. It is portable, foldable. Dry as well as wet ironing is possible. No need of ironing board, as vertical ironing is possible. Removes not only wrinkles but also odor from the cloths. It kills 99.99% of bacteria from the cloth. So without any hesitation, go for it. Thank you.